All right, students, the final case is what if the fraction is an improper fraction? So clearly, when the fraction is an improper fraction, we have to convert this one into a proper fraction first by performing the long division, and then it will be converted into a form which we can then do the partial fraction by using any of the method which we have learned in case 1, case 2 and case 3, which one is appropriate. So let's have a look into this example from your book. Express 2x squared plus 5x minus 11 over x squared minus 2x minus 3 in partial fraction. You can see that the degree of numerator is 2 and the degree of denominator is also 2. And you remember that we have said that if px over qx are the two polynomial, then if it is a improper fraction, then the degree of px is greater than or equal to the degree of qx. Okay, so here both the degrees are the same, therefore the fraction is an improper fraction. So we perform the long division and convert this improper fraction into this form, which is 2 plus x minus 5 over x squared plus 2x minus 3. Now in the denominator there is a quadratic factor, okay, but remember in case 3 we said that a quadratic factor which cannot be factorized. So let's see if this factor can be factorized into linear factors. So of course here you can see that x minus 5 over x squared plus 2x minus 3. So this denominator can be factorized into x plus 3 into x minus 1. So this becomes the first case now. The fraction is such that in the denominator there are two distinct linear factors, okay, and therefore we apply the procedure which we have discussed or learned in case 1, what to do if the denominator contain two distinct linear factors. So the partial fraction of this one is a over first factor plus b over second factor, and by multiplying each and every term by x plus 3 into x minus 1, we end up with this equation 1. Now in the denominator there are two factors, x plus 3 and x minus 1. When x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and this gives you the value of b once you insert the value of x is equal to 1 in equation 1. And from x plus 3 you get x is equal to minus 3, and this will lead you to value of a, which is 2. Therefore x minus 5 over x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to the values of a and b. Insert in here and you will get the partial fraction of this fraction. The original fraction was this one, 2x squared plus 5x minus 1 over x squared plus 2x minus 3, which was 2 plus the other part. So the other part has these factors. So our answer is 2 plus 2 over x plus 3 minus 1 over x minus 1. Hope you got all the concept. There are 4 different cases we have discussed now. In your exercise, all these cases have been given. So work out questions from exercise A as well as from exercise 7B. And this is your task for today and tomorrow. We are not going to discuss anything new tomorrow. I will try to find few more questions related to partial fractions, because in your book there is only one exercise, which is 7B, related to the topic. So I will start few more questions for you to do some more practice on the topic. Thank you.